Hey guys, welcome to the latest episode of the EJ Tech Show, and today we're going to be unboxing Samsung's new wireless earphones, the Galaxy Buds Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. Inside the box you'll find a quick start guide along with the Galaxy Buds Pro charging case, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and 3 ear tips, small, medium and large. The charging case over here is very similar to the one that came with the Galaxy Buds Live. It's compact, square shaped, and offers a nice matte finish with the Samsung logo embedded on top. There's a USB Type-C port at the bottom for charging, and the case itself supports wireless charging. Once you open the charging case, you'll of course notice the Buds Pro and an LED indicator on the front part to indicate the battery status of the case. The buds themselves come in 3 colors, Phantom Black, Phantom Violet, and this Phantom Silver variant that Samsung sent us. Now the Buds Pro offer a similar in-ear style as their older siblings, the Buds Plus. They've got the same glossy surface on top of each bud where the touch controls are situated, while the inner half of each bud has a matte plastic finish for a more comfortable feel. Additionally, the Galaxy Buds Pro are designed to give you added peace of mind. They're protected with an IPX7 water resistance rating, the highest standard of water resistance in the Galaxy Buds line. Like with any premium true wireless earbuds, sound quality has to be at the forefront. And that's why the Buds Pro sport an 11mm woofer for deeper bass and a 6.5mm tweeter for a crisp treble with minimum distortion. The Buds Pro also come equipped with a 3-mic system per earbud plus a voice pickup unit for clearer calls. In terms of features, the earbuds come with what the company calls intelligent active noise cancellation and 360 audio with Dolby head tracking tech that offers a more immersive audio experience. And now with Ambient Sound, you can choose to amplify nearby sounds by more than 20 decibels, meaning you can adjust and personalize according to your needs. There's a new auto switch feature as well that lets the buds remain connected to 2 Galaxy devices at once and switch playback between them. Claimed battery life on the Buds Pro is up to 8 hours with ANC off and up to 5 hours with ANC on. With the included charging case, Samsung says battery life can be extended all the way up to 28 hours with ANC off and 18 hours with ANC on. Priced at 15,990 rupees, the Galaxy Buds Pro seem to be a great addition in the premium true wireless segment and a perfect pair for the newest S21 series. Anyway, that's it for now guys. Let us know what you think about Samsung's new buds in the comments section, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.